For watching health related video, please drop a like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for which you will get a new video notification first. Welcome to Doctor's Blog channel. Hi friends. Today's we'll start gastrointestinal series part 1, GI series part 1. Firstly, today we'll discuss about high cough. High cough. What is high cough? Hiccups are due to involuntary spasm of the inspirated muscles followed by abrupt closure of the glottitis. They are usually precipitated by irritation of the diaphragm, usually caused by distension of the stomach. For simple brief episodes, I will advise 5 things. First one is the Valsalva maneuver. Second one is the breathing in and out in a plastic bag. Number 3 is the breath holding for as long as possible. Number 4, pressure on the eyeballs. Number 5, drink ice cold water. So what are the medicines used in high cough? So first one is the antacid gel with xylocaine. Example, Mucan gel 2 TSF TDS after 15 minutes of taking meal. Then antispasmodic tablet like cyclopam and or spasmoproxybon capsule or Dicolic tablet, Colimax tablet. These are the antispasmodic tablets. Meptal spas also. So you have to take any one tablet you have to choose. Repeat after 2 hours sauce whenever you can. Next tablet, chlorpromazine. Chlorpromazine known as Largactil 50 mg tablet. Start repeat after 6 hours. Or Liofen 10 mg 1 tablet TDS after food. But before using this medicine, please consult your doctor. But if you are watching this video, then you try to attack this medicine, so this channel will not be responsible for that. If any harmless will occur, right? It is for general guidance and general purpose only. So please consult your doctor before using this medication, right? Next come to if persistent, pass the nasogastric tube in the stomach. This relieves distension and also prevent abrupt closures of the glottitis. Look at this glottitis. Glottis means the space between two vocal cords is known as glottis. Glottitis, itis means, we should be remembered that itis means inflammation. So glottitis, the space between the two vocal cords known as glottis. So glottitis means inflammation of the glottis known as glottitis, right? If still persistent, so advise chest X-ray for pleural diffusion or mediastinal mass. Next, blood urea and serum creatinine test for uremia. Next, abdominal ultrasound for soft diaphragmatic abscesses. Next, gastroscopy is otherwise known as endoscopy for gastritis or ulcers, right? So I hope you got it. So if you like this video, so don't forget to like our video if you enjoyed it. and to subscribe for our channel for more video updates like this. Thank you, and thank you very much, Second, for giving your valuable